I just got my PlayStation 5 and I want to keep my controllers nice and organized. How am I going to do that? Well, in this case, we're going to use the fast, right? Very important. It needs to be charged fast. So we have the fast dual charging dock station for the PlayStation 5 controller. I'm going to show you this product right now. All right, so we see right over here the dual charging dock station for your PlayStation 5 controller. Very important. We can charge two devices, right? Safety. Very important to charge the device. Make sure it turns off when it's full. Easy to connect, and it has a cool LED light. This way you keep all your controllers organized and not cables everywhere. Now, comes with a cable type C and A. You're gonna plug in right in your PlayStation 5. And right over here, we got it. Cool design. Right over here, that's the front. We can see here it has the LED light. That will be for your back controller, and this for your phone controller. Will be orange when it requires charge, green when it's done. That's where you're gonna put your controllers. Right, very important. That way it stays in place. And the USB cable, type C. I'm gonna plug it in. It will light up for a second, and it's ready. So let's put it right over here. Grab you PlayStation 5 controller. The only thing you need to do is to dump it in there. Go like this. And that's the only thing you need to do. And if you see here, we have the orange light. It means, you know, I've been playing too many games, so I gotta charge this device. If you have another one that's real nice, then you just go and dump it in right in the front. And then you have the orange light. Simple. Simple, nice device. Safety to charge your controller and organize at the same time. I'll show you on the camera this way so you guys can really see what this thing will look like. And I think it looks pretty cool, right? It looks real cool this way. Pretty easy to charge, to dump it in. It has this nice, slick design. See you next time.